Hello and welcome to the Career Secrets channel. This is Professor Edmund. Today I'm excited to share with you a powerful yet simple storytelling framework called the PCT, Problem Challenge Transformation Method. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, giving a presentation, or simply wanting to connect more deeply with your audience, this three-step approach will help you craft compelling stories that people remember. The PCT method breaks storytelling down into three essential components. Step 1, identify the problem. What is the core issue, desire, or conflict you or your team faced? Step 2, explore the challenges. What obstacles or difficulties emerge from this problem? You can quantify the challenges by talking about the magnitude of the loss in income, profitability, and wastage of labor or resources. Make sure you use dollar values and percentages. Step 3, present the transformation. How was the problem solved and what changed as a result? This highlights the growth, learning, and positive outcomes. What makes this method so effective is that it follows the classic storytelling arc that resonates across cultures while eliminating unnecessary details. The PCT method is universal. It follows patterns that humans intuitively understand. It's focused, so it keeps your story concise and on point. It's transformation-centered, which means it highlights change and creates emotional impact. And it's memorable, creating a clear before and after contrast that really sticks in listeners' minds. Let me show you how this works with a real example, a response to a job interview question about leadership. So first, the problem. Our marketing team was struggling with constantly missed deadlines and low morale after our department head left suddenly. Notice how this quickly establishes the situation without unnecessary background. Next, the challenges. Team members were working in silos, communication was poor, and we were at risk of losing a major client due to delays. I was especially challenged by having no formal authority but seeing the urgent need for coordination. Here we see the specific obstacles that made this situation difficult, and the tension it created. Now, for the transformation, I initiated daily 15-minute stand-up meetings and created a shared project workspace that visualized our workflow. Within 3 weeks, we not only met our deadlines but delivered our most successful campaign of the year. The team's energy completely transformed, and management noticed, promoting me to team lead based on this initiative. This final part shows both the actions taken and the meaningful results that followed, including personal growth. To create your own PCT stories, start by identifying meaningful problems you've faced. Look for situations where something really needed to change. Then, get specific about the challenges. What made the situation difficult? What obstacles did you face? And hey, don't be afraid to show a bit of vulnerability here. Next, highlight the transformation. Focus not just on what happened, but on what actually changed. How were things different afterwards? What did you learn, and what improved? Oh, and try to keep your stories concise. Aim for about 60 to 90 seconds total when delivering them verbally. You might be familiar with other methodologies. PCT offers some distinct advantages. First, it creates stronger emotional resonance by emphasizing transformation. Second, it's simpler to remember, with just 3 clear steps. And third, it puts greater focus on growth and learning, which audiences really value. Start practicing your PCT stories today. Identify 3 to 5 significant experiences from your career or personal life and structure them using this framework. The more you practice, the more natural this storytelling approach will become. Remember, problem, challenges, transformation. This simple structure will help you tell compelling stories that engage your audience and make your experiences memorable. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll put the PCT method to work in your next interview, presentation, or important conversation. This is Professor Edmund, and these are your career secrets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.